Greetings and welcome back to another thrilling video. If you stick with me for the next 10 minutes or so, I'll show you not just how to do it, but also how to expand it and make much more money. You don't need a website, a credit card, and you can do it from anywhere on the planet. And this is going to be one of the most fascinating lectures you've ever seen about making money on the internet. Without any further ado, let's get started. In this video, I'll teach you how to create profit online on autopilot every 10 seconds. This is a free app that is available all around the world, and it's a great way of boosting your income while working from home. With this free website that I'm going to reveal with you, you can definitely gain money right now, and you can set it up on autopilot to make even more money. You'll also learn how to boost your productivity and perhaps render more money in the process. As a practical matter, keep watching the video to the end. But before we dive into the tutorial, welcome to Online Cash Flow, where we teach you how to make money online fast and easy. Make sure to smash the subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you will always be updated whenever I post new content on how to make money online. Please like this video and leave a comment down below if you have any questions and any suggestions. So in order to set things on autopilot, you'll need to register an account on this website. It is possible to generate income without exerting any effort. This is the website that will assist you, but before we go there and learn how to sign up and use it to automate everything, you must first download and install a completely free program that you want me to install for you. As you can see, this program has the potential to assist you in making money. In just 24 hours, a grand paying client made over $5,000. In a nutshell, this software has a lot of potential for profit. And on average, daily incomes for installing this entirely free software are over $50. However, they are unaware of the secret that I will provide in this video, which will aid you to not only make more money, but also make more money while working your prior job. You'll create a pilot using a website that I'll show you later in the session. This is our first app and it's called The Plug. We've discussed it before on this channel, but we've never actualized it in the way we do now. As a consequence, today's tactic will be really unique and noble. It's something I've never heard anyone else on YouTube explain. But it works so well because so many people are now using this method. And now is the ideal time to hop on board and take advantage of early access. For anyone who's not aware of how the plug works, here's a brief explanation. It simply boils down to downloading the application and then searching within it for any and all entirely free software. You'll have your own link for the rest of your life, which you may use to obtain referral connections for other apps. Advertise, and you'll be recognized every time someone downloads the app using your referral link. And you'll receive points if you can cash them in for cash. As you can see, the inside dashboard will look something like this. You can browse thousands of various applications for which you may earn a referral link, and then check how many points you'll get for each one you install. You could receive a little more than $3 each app installed on rare instances. Thus, according to my experience, each referral link installation costs between $1 and $2. It can, however, price up to $2 or even $3 every install, which is really quite high, since if you set it up with a website, which I will discuss with you, it will quickly yield up. If you are enjoying the video so far, be sure to give us a thumbs up and like the video. Also, down in the comment section, tell me what country you're from so I can do even more videos on how to make money online that will work for you and your area. The points obtained within the application are referred to as plug coins. For your promotions, you can earn plug coins, which you may then exchange for cold hard cash. You may check your account history and cash out at any moment with PayPal for quick payment. You will not have to wait weeks or months for payment. Hence, you have the option of being paid every day if you wish. It's clear that some people are making a lot of money off this practice. This platform has a lot of potential and individuals are reaping from it every day. It's just a modern software with a modern look, which I like because it's aesthetically simple to use and everything can be explored out fast. With a reach analysis and notifications that track installs and page views, you can keep track of your promotions in real time. Remember, when your plugs become available, you'll be notified. They will contact you if you wish to advertise so that you may promote the brand new applications that people can download for free and for which you will be compensated. You only need to download the plug app and establish a free account immediately. Right now, it's just accessible on the App Store. However, the developers assert that it will soon be accessible on the Google Play Store. This program was recently downloaded for free. For whatever program you pick today, you should be able to discover a referral link. Simply make sure it gives out a lot of plug points so you can make more money. However, as said previously, you'll earn on average for $1 each application installation who uses your referral link. You will receive $20 if you can persuade 20 individuals to download the app using your referral link. You'll receive $200 if you get 200 people to download an app using your fair link, and so forth. Now I'll teach you how to automate an unfinished referral setup and how to attract thousands of people to install programs for you using your referral link so you can earn commissions and plug coins, which you can then swap for real hard cash. But before we continue with the video, thank you for making it this far. What are your thoughts about the video? Are you getting more excited to earn money online? Let us know. We love to hear from you. Please leave a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and give this video a big thumbs up. Now back to the video. Now moving on, here's a cool website called Ladium.org, which can help and support you to get those installs on semi-autopilot through your referral link, so you may profit from the program. According to SimilarWeb.com, Ladium.org now has over 700,000 monthly visitors, with one page receiving about 708,000 visits each month. This implies that you may get a lot of installations just by visiting this page. So along with every other freelancing website, Ladium functions in a similar manner, but they're different, such that if I go to their browsing section and click on Browse Projects, all of these different categories appear on the left-hand side. Software downloads, on the other hand, are available, allowing you to pay someone 10 or 20 cents. Individuals are doing this. For example, if I go to the app download area, I can see that some people are paying 10 cents to download or install an app. So simply publish your project and indicate, install this application using my link, and I'll show you how to set it up, and I'll pay you $10. You'll earn more than $1, $2, or $3 each time someone installs your referral link, and you'll only have to give them 10 cents. As a result, every time someone installs your software using your referral link, you benefit. It also operates on autopilot, since when you post this on Ladium.org, everyone who completes those tasks, whether they are freelancers or not, who install the app for the order for the link, will automatically receive those 10 cents. You won't have to pay them by hand. Those 10 cents will be debited from your account, and you'll make money on the plug on autopilot. As you can see, this user, for instance, started this project and will have his referral link right here. So if individuals don't want to finish the project, they can go to this website, which is his referral link, and download the application for $10, which he will compensate them for. To get rewarded, each app loaded costs roughly $3 on occasion. You just have to pay 10 cents for such installs, so you're still collecting $1.90 every finished project or more. Also, you must be aware that this website has over 700,000 monthly visitors. As a result, this website may be used to reach a large number of individuals. Go to Ladium.org and click the Submit a Project button right here to submit a project. Now click Hire as well as the project title, which in this case is Download this app, and a description which may be optional or anything along those lines, and then install this app and provide your referral link. So go to Plug and acquire a referral link for an app that pays you $1, $2, or $3 for each install. Select instructions to provide them with more specific instructions on what they must accomplish. Install the program again, leaving your referral link in the field, and then choose the first option to add a section. So now you go on to step 2, which is to email a screenshot as evidence that they completed it, that they downloaded the app using your referral link, then click Next and submit the requisite skills. You could choose practically anything, and I strongly advise you to do so in order to attract as many individuals as possible. There's also the question of how many freelancers you'd like to recruit. Obviously, the more individuals that install through your referral link, the more money you'll make. But I highly advise against hiring more than 1,000. Only up to that point can the Plug's referral link be used. So even if you can grasp referral links from a wide range of applications, don't get more than 1,000 per app project through the Plug app. When asked how much you want to pay each freelancer to perform this assignment, input anything between 10 cents and 20 cents or even 30 cents. I'm going to go with 20 cents for this one if you want to attract more folks. I'll pick Next, and you may pay them any way you want. I'll pay them in US dollars. When you post your project on Ladium.org, it will be available to everyone browsing for freelance work on the site, and they will be able to download the app using your referral link on the best applications. You'll automatically pay them 20 cents and profit more than $1. You'll get a magnificent return on your investment, more than 5 times your initial investment, and all you have to do is publish it once and leave it. Of course, the more projects and referral links you have on Ladium.org, the more profits you can make, and the more money you can make on autopilot. You won't need a social media presence to gain a lot of referral installations if you use this technique on this website. As you can see, people are earning a lot of money with this app, and some of them are hustling hard on promoting to others in order to make more than $200 every day. Everything will run on autopilot after you submit your project on Ladium.org. It has a terrific approach, and you should take advantage of the early bird pricing, and that's all. That is exactly how to generate money online on autopilot every 10 seconds. And that's it. If this video helped you a lot, we appreciate you finishing it until the end. Make sure that you like and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to ring the notification bell so you will always be updated on any videos that we will be uploading. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to leave any comments down below. Bye!